Hi, this is London Bridge Bricks and welcome to our first Lego haul of 2020. Now, through late November and December, I was busy collecting Lego city sets during the sales here in the UK. And today's video is mostly about all that, but I've also got a new 2020 set that I've squeezed in as well. But more on that in just a moment. Firstly though, I do have a couple of special shout outs to make to a couple of good friends here in YouTube land. At the back end of last year, I won a competition hosted by Solo Brick Builder, and I happen to have been the lucky winner of this brilliant prize. It's set number 76124, the War Machine Buster. Now this is really cool because it comes with two Outriders, a minifigure of Ant-Man, and also a cool looking minifigure of War Machine. And of course, you get all these bricks in the form of the War Machine Buster itself. It's a really cool set, and it was a really cool competition. And thank you Solo Brick Builder for having such a brilliant prize. Next up, and it's someone that I regard as my YouTube American brother. It is, of course, Brandon from Hive. And during December, we posted to each other some Lego gifts, and this is what he sent me. First up is polybag number 30381, which is the Imperial TIE Fighter that comes with 42 pieces and is like a micro scale version of an Imperial TIE Fighter. And that's really cool, so thank you for that. Secondly, he sent me this set as well, which is polybag number 30452. And this is the Iron Man and dummy. You can see them there. And Iron Man comes with a couple of sort of thruster fiery bits as well. And you've got dummy there showing some fiery pieces off as well. So thank you so much, Brandon, for sending me those. And thank you so much as well for being a good YouTube mate. Of course, when you're done watching our video, please do check out Hive's and Solo Brick Builder as well. You'll find their channel details down in the description below. And while you're there, why don't you like and subscribe to our channel as well? And with that, let's dive in and see what Lego city sets I've been collecting. So firing off this Lego haul then, and we get ourselves the Fire Chief Response Truck. Now this is set 60231 and it normally retails at $17.99 here in the UK, but I managed to pick it up for a bargain, $12.99. That's a really cool looking set. It comes with 201 pieces, and as you can see, we get this kind of pickup truck style firefighting vehicle. So around the back, we can see a few more of the elements that come with it. You get these ladders, you get these two cool looking minifigures, you get the Fire Chief, you get the Fireman, and of course you get these elements here, which are the ladders, you get these cones in here, and we get this pretty powerful looking extinguisher as well, which is awfully nice because they've put cones out just to make sure that people passing by don't accidentally get burned. So yeah, there you go. That's 60231 and it's the Fire Chief Response Truck kicking off this Lego haul. So away from those flames and easing ourselves into a sort of more family orientated holiday vibe, and we get ourselves the Pickup and Caravan. Then this is set 60182 and normally retails in the UK for £24.99, but again I managed to get a really good bargain at roughly 50% off. I've got this for £13. Now this is a really nice set, and as you can see it's a little bit bigger than the fire truck and comes with 344 parts. The pickup truck itself looks pretty smart, and to be honest, it's not actually too dissimilar to the fire truck, but we'll compare those in just a second. You get ourselves a great little caravan, and of course we get ourselves the idyllic looking family as well, with a nice picture on the front. So spinning it around, we get ourselves some action shots. You can see the side pulls out there, which looks really good. We've got mum taking it easy there and taking the family photograph as well. We've got father and son doing a bit of fishing as well, and dad's probably been on the beers and having himself a little snooze there in the back of the caravan. Yeah, really nice set. I'm looking forward to building that. That's quite a decent looking truck. Talking of which, let's have a little comparison. So let's pop in there and let's compare it to the fire truck. And they are pretty similar, to be honest. There we go, both at the same sort of angle. They're fairly similar. I mean, they're practically probably the same sort of model, but a different variant of each other. But once we've built those, we'll probably compare them as well once we've finished doing it. So watch out for some photographs on Instagram and Twitter. Details of our Instagram and Twitter, actually, you'll find down in the description below. But yeah, so that's set 60182, the pickup and caravan. Coming in next, we get a really special set for me, this one, because I actually didn't pay for it. Again, it was gifted to me. Now, this was part of the European Secret Santa for some of the YouTubers here in Europe. It was something that was organised by the brilliant Garligade, and we happened to host a live stream of that event. So if you fancy watching a whole bunch of cool YouTubers, please do click on the link above, and that will take you straight to the live stream, and you can see what we got up to on the night. So onwards with this. So we have ourselves set number 60223, and this is called the Harvester Transport. Of course, you've got the transport here, and you've got the harvester here. We've got a cool looking minifigure there of the farmer, and you'll get a better image of him on the back. You've got the driver here who looks more like Tom Cruise from Mission Impossible. It looks like we've got some nice stickers as well. There's kind of standard Lego City farming looking stickers here with the corn on the cobs. We've got these gears here that are kind of making up the rotary blades, and we've got a really nice looking scarecrow as well. Let's turn it around, have a spin, let's see what we got. Okay, so on the back here, I've got a better image there of the farmer himself, and a bit more of a close-up there of the scarecrow. We've got them both combined there. It's a really nice looking set, and even the model number for the harvester happens to be the same model as the set itself. So it looks really nice, and we've got this red mug there, which is kind of cool, because actually over Christmas for my Secret Santa that I got someone, I got them a real life-size mug as well from the Lego store here in London at Leicester Square. But yeah, it's a really nice set. Like I said, it's this Harvester Transport. It's set number 60223. It's a little bit bigger than the last set. This one comes in with 358 pieces, and yeah, whoever you was out there for my Secret Santa, thank you so much. And I really can't wait to build this one. So thank you so much. Okay, so a Lego City Hall would not be a Lego City Hall unless, of course, we got the synonymous helicopter. So this is a brilliant looking set, and I can't wait to build this one. So this is called the Heavy Cargo Transport, and it's set number 60183. Again though, I got this at a really good discount. Normally retails here in the UK for £24.99, and I managed to get it for just £16. Now, it's a little bit smaller than the last set, and this one comes in with just 310 pieces. But of course, we do get the helicopter, and we get this rather cool looking transport, which, if anyone out there remembers the A-Team, this is very much of the A-Team colours, being it's black with the red accents as well. And we get not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get 12 wheels on this trailer as well, so that's a pretty decent size. Now, so like I said, this set is 60183. And of course on the number plate, it's 60183, and if you look really careful at that sticker there on that towel, it's called 60183 Airlift Services. So that's pretty cool, and I'm loving this helicopter, especially with those exhausts there, and there's a really nice little canopy. Anyway, let's spin it around. And what do we get? So we get ourselves a few action shots here. We get the 2 minifigures. I think the pilot himself, I've got to be honest, he looks a bit bland. He looks like he's more ready to go to school or ride a bike than he is to fly a helicopter. I think she looks really good though. The transport driver, she looks really funky. I'm loving that cap. It's got a really nice little bit of detail in it. The stickers here on the side, the special transport, again in colour with the rest of the vehicle, looks really good, keeping that A-Team theme going. And of course you get this, whatever that is, that tank there that's being flown around by that helicopter. And then just down here, they make a point of actually showing you how long this set is, 43.5 centimetres. Over this side, we get to see our Caravan set that I showed you just a little bit earlier. And we've got the Crusher set here, which is a brilliant monster truck. And if you want to watch that getting built, just click on the link above as well. I built that sort of late autumn last year. It was a fabulous set. So yeah, so here we have it. It is the Heavy Cargo Transport set 60183, and I can't wait to build that too. So hovering in next, and we get ourselves this beauty. Now this is the Arctic Air Transport, and it's set number 601 993. Now there's a few things that drew me to this set. One of them being you've got this strange combination, helicopter meets aeroplane meets drone. It's just a bizarre set, but it's kind of funky and cool at the same time. It's a brilliant colour combination, bright orange, which is a lot of the Lego Arctic sets have been, and you've got these kind of hints of blue in them as well. So blue and orange are always a great combination. Down here, we get to see the quad bike. It's got some fab tyres, and the star of the show, as far as I'm concerned anyway, is this saber-toothed tiger. Just flip it around and have a better look at those figures. So we got the action shot, we get the winch for the transport as well. We get this like ice cell that Sabertooth has been trapped in. We got this minifigure here. Now he's like a sort of a mountaineer, and he's got this circular saw as well. And we've got this brilliant Lego Rocky element there as well. And here we get to see a better picture as well of the pilot, who looks like she's got some really nice prints about her. So here in the UK, it normally retails for £25, and I managed to pick it up for a bargain 12. And it comes with 277 parts, which is just a little bit less than the previous transport that I showed you. However, I liked it so much, I thought, you know what? I'm going to buy two, and that's exactly what I did. So if I just spin this around a little bit more, we get a better look at those minifigures. So there we go. The quad bike, the mountaineer with his kind of hammers, and you got there his circular saw. He's got pretty decent prints on there as well. Look at all those ropes on there, and brackets and stuff like that he needs to use for climbing up the side of his mountain. And of course, you've got the pilot, who's probably got the better deal, who can just fly up to the top of them. And there you get a sort of one-to-one scale of that saber-toothed tiger. So it looks fantastic. So yeah, brilliant. Really pleased with this. 50%, but bought two for the price of one. So last of all being served up, and we get ourselves this. So this is set number 60253, and it's called the Ice Cream Truck. Now, this set actually retails here in the UK for £17.99, and I didn't get this on a discount because it's only been out a couple of weeks and happens to be part of Lego City's new range for 2020. Like I said, it comes with 200 parts, and we get ourselves two minifigs. We get this mold of a dog here, and of course we get this great looking ice cream truck. So spin it around and take a closer look. So starting off with the figs themselves, we get ourselves a skateboardist, and I think he looks okay. He just looks a bit bland in comparison to everything else. We get a standard looking Lego City skate. The vendor herself, I think, looks brilliant. It's got really nice blonde hair piece. I think her torso looks really good and it's vibrant, and that diggy bow tie is just great, and it just finishes off the look fantastically. The van itself, I think if you had said to me, we've got this van, it's red, it's yellow, it's white, it's blue, I would have thought, bleh. But being an ice cream van, I think you get away with it. Now, disappointingly though, I was hoping that we'd have quite a few printed pieces on this. Now, we did get this $1 by $2 $100 bill there, which is probably why the van's probably trying to get away from the skateboardist. But we do get a lot of stickers. I mean, just looking at here, we get the synonymous registration van number, so 60253, being the same as the set. But of course, we get all these stickers. We get a sticker here, 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 there, and there, and it's just a lot of stickers. But what I will say though, in fairness to Lego, they definitely work. I think they definitely make it look better and enhance the look of the ice cream van. But they look fairly simple to apply as well. They don't look like they're going to be too difficult to apply on those tiles. So that's one good thing, I suppose. So looking a little bit closer into the van itself, and you can see you've got these great little elements here, these ice cream cones, and got these different flavors. We've got mango, we've got vanilla, we've got strawberry chocolate, and we've got these icicles as well. So we've got a blue icicle there, and we've got that green one there that, okay, you've got to watch out there, vendor. The old dog's going to get hold of that one if they're not careful. So yeah, it's a really good set, and really it kind of, I don't know, it just makes me happy looking at this set, because it's everything that Lego's meant to be in this tiny little set. It's colourful, it's vibrant, it really pops, and it's just fun. And that to me is everything that Lego's meant to be. So there we have it. That's the ice cream truck, and that's set 60253. And that, as they say, is a wrap. We hope you've enjoyed this look at our latest Lego City Hall. Please do let us know in the comments below your thoughts on these sets, especially if you happen to have built them already. Thank you once again to Solo Brick Builder and Brick Hive. Details of their super channels are down in the description below. And if you're new to London Bridge Bricks, please do give us a like and hit that subscribe button and be part of the LBB family. As always, thank you for tuning in, and we'll leave you now with some videos that we think you might like.